Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to teach you how to live stream on Kick for beginners. Now, I will teach you from start to finish what you need to do, what you need to actually start live streaming on Kick. You have two main things you need to do. The first of which is, of course, to have a Kick account. As you can see, we are logged in. And the second one is actually to get OBS or OBS Studio, which we are running right now to record this video. So we have two of the things that we need. So again, just sign up for Kick on kick.com. It's very easy to create an account. After you're done with your account, after you've done confirming and verifying your account, what you want to do is next is go to your OBS Studio. You just Google OBS Studio and go for the Windows or Apple or whatever version what your computer is, and download it, install it. It's very straightforward, very easy to install the app on your PC or laptop. Now, once you open OBS for the first time, it's going to look like this. Now, if you look here on the lower left corner, there's a lot of scenes here. It says scenes and see sources. So don't mind these other scenes here. We only need the one. So on your scene, you need a few things. You need display capture so that you can see, you can show up what you're streaming, whether it's a game or you're live streaming. You need an audio input and audio output capture so that the audience can hear your voice and can hear the audio of or the sound of what you're streaming. So how do you do this? Just click on plus and add audio input, audio output, and display capture. Now, it's very important for the audio input capture. Right click on it and click on properties. And here you need to select the microphone, because if you don't, it's not going to work. So select the microphone that you're using, the microphone that's plugged into your computer, and click OK so that you'll be good to go. After that, what you want to do next is click on settings here on the upper lower right corner of the screen. There's a settings here under controls. Click on settings and a pop-up will appear. Now this pop-up is very important because there are a few things you need here. One is stream. As you can see here, if you click on service, there are a few options: Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, Restream, Twitter, but there is no Kick. Now, why is that? That's why we have custom. You have the custom setting here so that we could get the server and the stream key. So server is the server URL from Kick, and the stream key is the stream key URL from Kick. So how do you get that? Well, we go back to Kick for a minute here, right? And again, once you've signed up, once you've signed in, click on your profile icon in the upper left right corner and click on settings. And in settings, you're gonna see this. So when you see this, click on stream key. So once you click on stream key, you're gonna have your stream URL and your stream key. Again, going back to OBS Studio, it says server, it says stream key. This is the server. Stream URL is the server. Stream key is, well, the stream key, of course. So all you need to do is click this, which is copy, so that you'll copy the stream URL, go back to OBS Studio, and just paste it like so, and then go back again to Kick, and again copy stream key like this. As you can see, copy to clipboard, go back to OBS Studio, and delete that, and then just copy the new one, and then click apply, and click OK. So that, you're now set to stream on OBS Studio, but again, we need more things to do. So again, let's click on settings again, and again, your stream settings, meaning the server and the stream key is set. What you want to do next is click on output. Now, output is very important because this is going to be the settings for your stream when it comes to the general settings for your stream. So as you can see here, there are a few tabs here. All you need to look at is the stream. You don't need to look at these three other ones. So with stream, what you want to do is your audio encoder should be FFmpeg AAC. Your video encoder should be NVIDIA NVENC H.264 if you have a GPU or a graphics card. But if you're using your CPU, if you have integrated graphics, use the X264. In your encoder settings, your control should always be CBR, right? It should always be CBR. Bitrate should at least be 6000 kbps. Keyframe interval 0 to 2 is the ideal spot. Preset should be P5 slow or good quality. Tuning is high quality. Multi-pass mode, I do 2 passes quarter resolution, and your profile should be high, and you should have cycle visual tuning ticked or enabled. GPU should be 0, but you can do max 2, and your max P frames should be 2. So that is the output. Now go next to audio. For audio, again here, the only important thing here is global audio devices. You only need 2, your desktop audio and your mic/auxiliary audio. What is this? This is the same as your audio input and audio output capture. So desktop audio is your headphones, or if you have speakers, whatever device you're using to listen to audio on your computer, that's what you choose. And then your mic/auxiliary audio, it's a given. This is your microphone again, and everything should be disabled because you don't want any unnecessary slots when it comes to your audio. So that's your audio. Again, your headphones or your speakers, and then your microphone. So make sure that your microphone here and your microphone on your audio input capture is the same, because if not, it's gonna mess up your settings, right? And then next, go to video. In your video, your base or canvas resolution should be 1920 by 1080 or 16 by 9 the aspect ratio. Your output scaled resolution should be the same, but if your computer cannot handle it, 1280 by 720 is fine. But your base canvas resolution should definitely be 1920 by 1080. It is ideal, like what I'm having right now is 1920 by 1080 on both, so that it's set, right? Downscale filter, resolution match. I don't need any downscaling because again, the resolution matches. And then your FPS value should be 60. Now, if you're on a budget PC, maybe 30, right? But 60 should be the standard for you. So again, your base canvas should be 1920 by 1080. Your output should be 1920 by 1080 again, and then your FPS is 60. So once that's done, you click OK. So now that you're all set, all you need to do is go back to Kick and click on Stream. And here on Stream, you need to, fix everything up. Your stream info. You can, choose, your category, your title, language. You can choose tags aren't available yet, and you should tick whether or not your content is mature or not. And then after that, click save, right? And then once that's done, right, once everything is done, all you need to do is click start streaming here, and you will be good to go. So once you click start streaming here, it'll reflect here, and this will, just like Twitch, this will automatically go live, right? That's it, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.